Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is how to make this beautiful crochet puff stitch flower keychain. I have crocheted it in the way that it looks same on both sides. The keychain ring we need, and in this video I am using pink and white color contrast. I will use white color instead of green color and pink color instead of red color. I am using 4mm crochet hook and 3-ply yarn. Wrap up yarn twice on our first finger and pull one loop through crochet needle and make one single crochet. This is called magic ring. Now stretch this single crochet loop like this and then make one incomplete double crochet through this magic ring. Yarn over once on crochet needle, then pull one loop through this magic ring and stretch this loop along with all loops. Do this for 3 more times. Here we have 4 incomplete double crochet loops on our crochet needle. Now join all loops through one single crochet. To follow the pattern of first puff stitch, now we will have to make 11 more puff stitches through this magic ring.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Here we have completed our 12 puff stitches. Now stretch the middle yarn as all puff stitches come close to each other. Now join last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Here we have another 12 puff stitches circle. Now we will join these two circles with each other. Insert crochet needle through the first stitch of both circles and then make a one single crochet.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Then insert crochet needle through second stitch of both circle and again make a single crochet. Follow this pattern and join all the outer stitches of both circle with single crochet.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together.
Here we have joined all outer stitches of both circle. At the end, attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. Then cut off extra yarn. This will make a puff circle with single crochet border. And at this single crochet border, we will attach next color and make puff stitches petals for this flower. Firstly, attach next color and make 3 chains. After making 3 chains at first stitch, we will make 7 incomplete double crochet at next stitch. The number of these incomplete double crochet depends on our yarn size. If you will use thicker yarn, then you will have to make less number of these incomplete double crochet, and if you will use thin yarn, then you will have to make more number of these incomplete double crochet.
like a bird on a tree.
After making 7 incomplete double crochet through same stitch, then we will join these all loops with single crochet. After making this single crochet, we will make 3 chains and attach at next stitch. Here we have made first petal for this flower. Then make 3 chains and again make 7 incomplete double crochet at next stitch.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
After making 7 incomplete double crochet, join all loops with single crochet and then join at next stitch. Follow the pattern of these 2 petals. We will have to make 12 petals for this flower.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Join this last chain to the first stitch of 3 chains. After completing this round, we will make one more round to give this finishing look. Firstly, make 3 chains and attach at top part of first petal with single crochet. Then again make 3 chains and attach at base stitch of each petal with slip stitch. Then again make 3 chains and attach at the top part of second petal with single crochet. Again make 3 chains and attach at the base stitch of each petal. To follow this pattern and complete this round at the end.
Around you, from a distance you can tell. meant to be.
Here we have complete our round and we have reached at the top part of last petal, and at this top part we will attach the ring chain with one single crochet. And then again make 3 chains and attach at last base stitch of petal. Cut off extra yarn and our project has been completed. Viewers, hope you like it. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.